February 27th, 2026, a friend of mine and we headed north to one of the most famous beaches in the area, to a brand new restaurant. We went to Espejo. Now, if you don't know what the word espejo means, in Spanish it is the word for mirror. And after spending the afternoon there, I think I know exactly why they chose that name. Espejo is located 10 minutes north of San Juan del Sur on our new Costanera highway, and it overlooks one of the primary surfing beaches in the area, dramatically in the hillsides overlooking Maderas Beach. And fun fact, there are 22 beaches in the San Juan del Sur area. Maderas is just one of them. And when you're sitting in Espejo, you don't just see Maderas, you can see two other beaches stretching out towards the north. Everything looks very wild and untouched. When you first walk in, the word that comes to mind is new. Everything looks new, and it is new. Everything looks very high-end and deliberate. There's a lot of clean lines and modern design. Looking to the left and to the right, you see these booths that are perfectly half moon shaped, and each one of them has a perfect view of the Pacific Ocean. And looking straight ahead, you see the infinity pool that blends perfectly with the horizon. The pool reflects the sky and the ocean so perfectly and so seamlessly. I really do believe that this is why they called the place Espejo. The entire place feels like a reflection and a mirror. In the distance, you can see jagged rock outcroppings coming out from the ocean. They almost look like shark fins cutting through the surface. For lunch, we kept it simple. We ordered tacos, beef and seafood tacos. I also ordered a beet salad that had walnuts, feta cheese, and citrus. The flavors complemented each other beautifully. It was very fresh, sweet, salty, and citrusy. To drink, I ordered a hibiscus mocktail and my friend ordered a margarita. My mocktail had just enough kick to it, and we both thought that our drinks were exquisite. We were enjoying the atmosphere so much that after lunch we wanted to stay a little bit longer. So I ordered a cappuccino and my friend ordered an Americano, and we shared a piece of cheesecake, and it was fluffy and light and just kind of perfect. I took a dip in the infinity pool and I grabbed some footage of the surfers down below catching the waves at Maderas Beach. The temperature of the water was fantastic. The whole afternoon felt very peaceful, beautiful, and indulgent without being over the top. Our bill came to about $75 US, but really for that level of food, service, atmosphere, and view, it was worth it. So if you are visiting San Juan del Sur and you want a lovely afternoon out or somewhere really beautiful to watch the sunset, I would recommend Espejo. It is only 10 minutes north on our new Costanera highway. And just a couple of things to note, that if you go, you must make a reservation first, and it is an adults-only club.